Hello, Mr. Josh here. In this video, 5 British slang words the Yanks don't know. Before that, would you like to win 5 hours of Skype lessons with me? Simply subscribe and leave a comment for this video to be entered into the draw. Details are in the description below. Now, back to the video. Chuffed. To be chuffed is to be happy about something. I'm pretty chuffed at winning the local photo competition. But your chuff is your bottom. I wish that blue car would get off my chuff. You can also say, I don't give a monkey's chuff what you think. Meaning you don't care about what someone else thinks. Gutted. This translates as devastated. I'm totally gutted that my girlfriend ran off with my best friend. Jammy. Jammy is used to mean that someone has had an incredible stroke of luck. Dave has been given a massive bonus at work this month. He's such a jammy bastard. Minging. If something is minging, then it's disgusting. Don't eat things that have dropped on the floor. That's minging. Someone can also be a minger, meaning they are ugly. That Sean McGowan is such a minger. How did he ever become so famous? Skive. This is when you don't go to work or school by pretending to be ill. Think I'll stay in bed today and skive off work. A skiver is the person that is skiving. Jane didn't come into work again today. She's such a dirty skiver. If you enjoyed this video, you should try one of these.